Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can bypass this. You need to have Vanguard running to play error in League of Legends. So to do that, first of all, we'll have to close all our League of Legends tasks or processes. So to do that, what you have to do is you'll have to right click and then go to task manager. So from here you'll have to go to details, and from here you'll have to search for Riot and close all the tasks that Riot is running, like Riot client and everything. Select and press end task and close all of them. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to search for services here. So type in services in the search bar and press on it. It will take you to this page, and from here press on something and press V, and you'll see this VGC. So double click on that and you'll see this option startup type. So it could be disabled in your case. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on the drop down menu and press on automatic and then press apply and OK. So what it will do is it will start your Vanguard automatically at startup. So as it is a startup setting, what you'll have to do is then you'll have to restart your PC, and it will in the startup your Vanguard will start also, and your game won't have this Vanguard error anymore. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.